Okay, breakfast is a smoothie bowl. We have about 500 mils of water. I put in about half a packet of spinach, a whole pack of dragon fruit, 300 grams of blueberries. I know some of you are freaking out. You'd have to get that to the gram. Oh, it ticked over. There we go. A bit of Wall Street. Some protein, some pea and rice protein. I like protein. Do you like protein? We like protein. We all like protein. Which you'll find a coupon code in the description. Nah, just joking. No coupon codes today. Do remember I am making 3 servings. About 1 to 2 tablespoons. Heaped tablespoons of cacao. Alright, so we'll blend that up and that will be the base. Okay, so about 500 grams or mils fits evenly into 3 servings. Next, some Brazil nuts, some almonds, and some macadamia nuts. Next, a seed mix, some pepitas, pine nuts, and sunflower seeds. Next, I'll add in some cooked quinoa, 100 to 120 grams, but the macros will be for 100 grams. Okay, about 200 grams of bananas, 20 grams of peanut butter. And what I actually do is with the ones I put in the fridge, I don't cut up the banana yet. I do that in the morning. Okay, lunch is about 50 grams of spinach. And that's it. 50 grams of lentils, 50 grams of some black beans, 1 can of a 4-bean mix. Yes, a lot of fiber. Roughly 200 to 300 grams of quinoa. Sometimes I mix it with rice, quinoa and rice. But today we'll just go quinoa, so we'll go about 250-ish. 50 grams of tomatoes. Tomato, potato, and the 50 grams of some red onions. Okay, now we've got a bit of colour. 20 grams of some pickled ginger. Okay, this might be a wild shot, but I'm going to add a little bit of mustard today. And we'll add some hummus. You could also add some tempeh or tofu to this. We got the lentils, the black beans, and the 4-bean mix down there. Again, we got some tomato, red onion, pickled ginger, some mustard. Don't know how that's going to go, but we're going to give it a go. Some hummus, spinach, you can do a mixed leaf, and some cooked quinoa. And we're also going to throw in some sushi sheets, some seaweed. So one of the dinners I'm making is a plant-based burger. We have some beetroot and black bean burgers here. The ingredients list isn't too bad. It doesn't look like a science experiment. There are a few things I would rather take out, but we are going to make do for today. Spinach, tomato, we'll also chuck some onions in there that aren't here at the moment. Spelt sourdough bread. Don't always have bread, but again, like I said in the video, I try not to deprive myself from things. A very good looking avocado, and I'm going to try and mix yeast flakes with coconut milk to make a sort of cheese for the burger. So if you don't see that in the rest of the video, you know it's probably not worked out. And some purple and white sweet potato that I roasted earlier in the oven with some olive oil. Alright, let's go for the 4 burger flip with the camera in hand and doing it left hand too. Here we go, 3, 2, oh yeah! Alright, and that's the end result. There's the burgers with the sweet potato. The cheese looked like it worked. And we also have some mung bean and black bean pasta with the sauce, the cheese sauce and the tomato sauce.